Hi, I'm Dan from Wellco, the Development Manager for our Gracewood project out at Malala, and I'm here to provide you with a construction update. Here at Gracewood, stages 1 to 4 are progressing really nicely. With bulk earthworks complete, stormwater drainage pipes installed and sewer largely finished, we're pleased to see this community taking shape. You may also notice that we're digging out the water detention basin, and that's progressing nicely too. In the next couple of days, we're going to begin trenching for our remaining electrical works. We're also going to begin works on the Traeger Road intersection, so please keep an eye out for that. Thanks for joining me on this construction update. If you want to find out more information or register your interest, please visit gracewood.com.au. Thank you.